Good morning, vlog world. Another day, another vlog. We just waking up. My shorty's about to go to bed. No, go to work, I mean. Not go to bed. We just getting up. And she's late. It's early in the morning, but I know she's gonna be late for work. Not going to bed?
Yeah.
Oh yeah, so today vlog world. I'm gonna chef up some food for now. Well, not food, I'm probably not video it. But me know for a fact, we have the air fryer. I use the air fryer. So I probably just do some wings with rice and thing, yellow rice or white rice. Probably I could do that. And so you can stay tuned for that. And we're getting closer and closer to the days for me to shoot. You see me? Who texting us?
Huh?
Who texting us?
You said I can't say that about your phone, right?
You're right.
So why are you saying that to my phone?
Because I can.
No.
You want me to call your mother?
Cola. Cola.
It's the camera. You acting bad. If I'm so toxic, then leave. What am I feeling? Cause I thought it was over. We just gonna do it for you vlog. She about to get up for go work. I'm gonna make breakfast and thing. I may have work for go to. But I can't tell you yet. Ooh, I got a girlfriend now, guys. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Another day, another vlog. We don't already know what I'm going. So early morning now. Me have on this. 3 days now. And I don't want to close on any. I just straight on because I have to do something real quick. And thing. I try to get my living room sorted out, you see me? Remember, them things I never did so before. So, my shorty boat forgot work. You late? She about to go to work. So, she a rush right now, a hurry up thing, cut. And thing. Wear the black one, just wear the black one. Yeah, because remember them are complaining about white things like. Yeah, so.
Okay. See you later.
Alright, later. You kiss me. Alright, go on. No.
You didn't kiss me.
You don't brush me teeth. Alright, later. Bye. Alright. We're not going to chill with me. Which paper? To wrap it up, right?
Paper. It's still good time.
Alright, I'm going to wrap it up. Hold on.
I'm gonna eat it now.
Oh.
But my teeth.
So, she just make breakfast and thing on a rush. Good morning, vlog world. I probably said this already, because I made a footage already, did a vlog and thing. I kind of delay another vlog. I'll probably get the vlog late today. Reason being, my girlfriend is sick. She's been throwing up from last night and thing. I don't want to know say she pregnant. I don't know if she pregnant. I don't think I'm pregnant, she pregnant. She's sick. You see me? I vomit. And other things. You see me? I can't tell you other things. But she go work later today. I try to make some ginger tea. You know the old Jamaican remedy. A ginger tea or sorrel or something for flush out the system. Now, we kind of come to the conclusion, I know I was sick already, you see me? I see this happen already with her. Alright, around the time she that eat a bag of things, you see me? She not fi eat pork, ribs, all of them shit there. So, I think a day ago, she get some food. It was catfish, shrimp, ribs. Also had a little shit did in there. What heap of meat, sprinkle around. She eat a lot of things that day, you see me? Knowing say she not fi eat pork, but she never that pay it no man, because she say, come home. Night she say she feel nauseous, this and that. Me a run joke, I say she pregnant, all this time, My calculation wrong. Last night she vomit. This morning me have to throw a bucket with vomit. Me have to take care of her now. And she still want to go work. I don't know why. Probably go run in the morning still, or go skate in the morning. But I don't know if I left her, you see me, but she said she just want to sleep. Cause she must tired the amount of vomit she vomit out last night. So she don't really get no sleep, you see me. Now, this is when I roll him a being a boyfriend. Certain responsibility me have to pick up, you see me. She can't fully function now, you know, fully handicapped that now, you know. Me have to go make breakfast tea. You know what I do now? I peel ginger to make ginger tea for you. Me I normally do them something, yeah. Normally I'm here one who always are sick. I need somebody to take care of me. No, I other way around. You see me? Nothing wrong. Cause I'm a woman, you see me? Me I do it. She probably gonna see this after when we edit it and everything there. It's okay, baby. You're gonna be fine. From now on, she can't go eat pork. You see me? Pork ribs, any cow, pig, all of that gone. None of that she not eat. You see me? She eat just chicken and fish. Me never sure about the shrimp. I mean, I want Lego shrimp still. But me even know sure about the shrimp. But I put her on a strict diet. I remember me I told her already she get fat. So upon that journey and me and her talk or my relationship, me I document this soon, you see me? I know everything me I go tell you still, you know. But the thing them when me think normal, me I go tell you see me? She in there asleep right now, so me go make her tea. You see me? I can't believe that she's sick you know. Me I play a doctor role. Jesus. Me so carry me in there. Come make you see her. Make me peel off the ginger first and grate it. And then me tell you no more what go on. But we probably go get a vlog late. Reason being, I could have vlogged too much. Me that play a doctor role yesterday and last night and thing. So I could have made the vlog be the main priority that time, you see me? Because I never know what did I go on with her. So I have to pay more attention to this. So. But I'm just going to stay tuned to my daily life. I don't want to miss no day. So if you don't get that vlog later than the normal time, just still watch it, you see me? Watch it ads them and them thing there. A mad thing. You know me I make for breakfast. I never want to make breakfast and she go vomit it out. I probably just give her some cereal. Alright, so tea the on the stove. You alright?
Yep.
You still gonna go to work?
Yes, I am.
No, you sick. Why you shake your ass?
It's making my belly feel better. It's not my. I'm not shaking my butt. It's my legs.
So what is? Me that tell him say that vomit out your life last night. No more pork. Say it with me. No more pork. No more beef.
I can eat beef.
No. No pork. No beef.
I can eat beef. It hasn't been affecting me.
Jesus Christ. You see, woman no listen. Let me show you another thing. Woman no listen. You see me? Me see what best here, me I tell her what best here and she don't want to listen to me. You're going to vomit again. No pork, no beef. You have to go but realistically, a rasta you have to turn now, you know. You ain't so much of vomit. You vomit out that tripe last night.
Wow. Don't do that.
I'm like, every minute see me, oh my God, you have to go get a doctor tonight. Big man thing, you think you're breathing?
Yeah, right. No, I'm not.
What else if I breathe, she breathe? That would have be something. But she, pregnant woman would have know if somebody, and she again weight mad fast. It probably, look how I'm going to take a pregnancy test. Just see for night, maybe we see something.
I can't take it now. I have to.
No, not now. Like,
In like a
we'll probably try this week I come. Vlog well, that's something for you to look out for.
pregnant.
I don't think so too, but just the curiosity, but we do it, you know? We're not losing anything.
Remember this was happening for a while now.
But the gain weight fast part kind of, remember me said this the other day to you? I think yesterday I said it to you, I say, yeah, it kind of weird I gain so much weight so fast, you know? Remember me that said to you?
It wasn't that fast though, it was like 3 months.
Something or something. You make me know in the comment section, because I like reading the comments when I no post it. And she a spit regular. When me there at Jamaica, you know, every girl when me know I breathe, you know. When I'm walk on the road, I'm morning time, spit everywhere. Now, you kind of adapt somewhere. You see something when me I say, let me see your nipple. If your nipple swell up, you breathe for real.
It's not.
Let me see. Your titty look bigger still, you know. I like your titty do get bigger. Fuck the camera. Your titty get bigger, you know. A milk it again.
No, it's not.
Yo, if she a breed, no, like if you a breed, me a document this. So even if you not breed, I don't know. But if you a breed, me can go back to that video and say, you see me did I tell you?
Yeah.
Let me see. Titty them look huge though. No, G. You come here with some little itty bitty titty.
No, they were not itty bitty.
Yes,
Nothing.
my breast them is bigger than yours.
No.
Look on them now.
It just was.
You may have suck off, I know.
Get away.
No, please, I'm making you tea.